Welcome to the new generation filing system, designed by father and son team, Arnold and Adrian van Wyk. This revolutionary system has won first prize in the product design category at the Best of Canada Design Awards. It has 3 world patents and brings together innovation, technology and environmental awareness to offer you the latest in filing and storage solutions. The Orgafile system stacks in minutes. All modules are delivered individually. Once unpacked, start by separating the base by removing it from the top, and then positioning it in the desired location. The drawers simply slide on and click and stack. You can create your own configuration as desired. To finish off, the top clicks and stacks in place like any other module. Once assembled, it is easy to level your cabinet. You can be organized in minutes. To add a module, you simply remove the top by pulling the link fit brackets towards you. This can be done to any module. Once the link fit has been disengaged, just pull the bracket back and the drawer forward. You can relocate your cabinet, add a drawer or change the configuration. It is that easy.